Hello again, this is Doug the 2-Minute Gardener. Today we're going to learn how to eat a prickly pear cactus. Yes, this stuff is edible. This cactus, also known as opetina, is found all over half of America. You see them growing everywhere in Southern California, and they are edible. Now, the key thing about these is first you want to pick one that is only red. No yellow, no green, only red, because those are ripe but not too ripe. Then you want to make sure to get a good sharp knife and clean all the little spines off of it. The sucker is spiky, so grab it carefully and make sure you clean all the little spines off of it very, very, very carefully. Also, you may find a few bugs on it because it is edible, so bugs may chew on a little bit. So inspect it carefully as you're shaving it. Now, what he's pointing out over there is notice how that one has some yellow in it. That one is overripe. It's too hard and can't be eaten at this point. So you want one that's nice in red, and you see he's carefully shaving off all the little spines, also double checking for any little critters on that as well. And basically you just want to get it nice and clean, and then we'll show you in part 2 where we take off the white outer peel. So he's got it cleaned off, and now he's going to just kind of carefully take it over, wipe it on the little towel, make sure he's gotten all the dust, all the critters. Sometimes you'll find a few ants on this. Just wipe it off carefully, rinse it off, and it'll be ready to go to the kitchen to peel. Now you can also obviously just keep peeling it on the outside, but basically I wanted to kind of show you a nice up close personal of it getting peeled right in the kitchen. So this guy is getting peeled nicely by my wife, and she's basically just peeling it kind of like an apple. The outer skin is not edible, but basically you want to kind of get it all peeled off and then dice it up, and then you can eat it, and it kind of tastes like a gritty watermelon. The seeds are edible. The whole thing is edible. A word of warning, there hasn't been enough research on this particular fruit to know if it's safe for pregnant women to eat, but generally it is nice and edible. My wife just loved it. She thought it was so tasty. Well, that's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks so much for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.